What is going on, guys? This is Try1 and we are back with another video. Hello. The tech community is buzzing with all sorts of iPhone 12 speculations these days. And one of the major catches is the alleged release date. As per this tweet by John Prosser, or who is a renowned tech insider, the iPhone 12 launch is slated on 13th October this year. He also went on to tell that iPhone 12 units' first shipment will go out for distribution on 5th October. Apple has also tweeted about an event now which makes it clear that the iPhone 12 launch is happening on the 13th of October. Another thing everyone has been looking forward is to the variants of the Apple iPhone 12 series and the features they will possess. If this tweet by Duane Rui is to be believed, there are 3 different sizes of Apple iPhone 12 series which we will be able to see this year: 5.4 inch, 6.1 inch and 6.7 inch. This is based on the Chinese silicon cases designed for the respective models. The 5.4 inch screen iPhone 12 mini will be compact and sleek, whereas 6.1 inch iPhone 12 and 12 Pro will be regular sizes, and the 6.7 inch iPhone 12 Pro Max will be the biggest in the deal. Moving on to the expected features, the iPhone 12 mini is expected to have a 5.4 inch OLED display, 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB and 256 GB storage options, A14 Bionic and 5G connectivity, aluminium body and a dual camera. Moving on to the iPhone 12, it will have a 6.1 inch OLED display, 4 GB of RAM, 128 and 256 GB storage options, A14 Bionic and 5G connectivity, aluminium body. iPhone 12 Pro, we get a 6.1 inch OLED display, 6 GB of RAM, 128 and 512 GB storage options, A14 Bionic and 5G connectivity, stainless steel frame body, triple camera plus LiDAR. Moving on to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, we get a 6.7 inch OLED display, 6 GB of RAM, 128 512 GB storage options, A14 Bionic and 5G connectivity, stainless steel frame body, triple camera plus LiDAR. Looks of this series will be similar to the iPhone 4 and 4S series, which had a steel rim around the device. The iPhone 12 mini is also a great addition for the ones who wanted a compact and sleek device with the latest improvements. Tell us your thoughts about this and what else do you think we can expect from the launch in the comments. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, smash a thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down twice. And I'll see you guys in the next one.